Hi, this is the Emacs Prince. So we all have our own libraries, and sometimes we receive patches from some collaborators, and we want to keep the original name of the author that is giving us this patch. So yeah, you can read the Git documentation, you can browse the answer in the Stack Overflow again and again, because this kind of thing you always remember what the command, which option. So what I do is I have my own front end for Git, and every time I need to do this kind of operation, I just write one command, hide the complexity in this command, put a easy to remember name, and then that's it. I don't need to remember anything or look for the command anymore. So let's say I have here some collaborator, one per branch, and they send me some patches. So some of them are wrong because they have my name as an author, so we need to correct that. Especially with Jackie Chan, that looks or is usually very friendly, but believe me, you don't want to see Jackie angry. He's terrible. So let's modify this. We can modify also other command, for example the previous one as well. It's also wrong. So let's do it. And now Jackie will be happy. Yeah. And another thing we can do, we can modify the date, because sometimes we also want to put the date when we receive the patch or something like that, right? So for instance, let's say this is from this year, so we want to do like that, right? And will appear now. Okay, you see, 2008, and let's put also the previous one correct in this year. Yeah, let's put this year. Jackie sent me last week actually. So okay, so this also can go for the first commit. So we have 4 commits here. Let's see, these commits are all with my name, right? Yeah, so let's modify the first one. Wait, Jackie, where are you? You are here. And this will modify the very first one, right? We can see here. Yeah. Well, that's it. So this is something that I need to do more often, that I will suppose, because sometimes I receive patches from people. So thank you very much for your attention. See you later another day. Bye bye.